Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to clean the DC to DC air filter. So here we go. My car is still brand new, so of course I don't need to do this yet, but I have a 2-year-old and my floors are a bit dirty, so I'm going to get my vacuum cleaner out and I'm going to clean those. I just thought this was a perfect opportunity to show you guys how to clean that air filter while I had my vacuum out here, and I was going to be vacuuming here anyway. It's kind of in a hard to film spot, but it's right here behind me. You might be able to see it. This is the intake vent right here. You want to make sure that you never have this area covered because it's going to need air to keep that DC to DC cool anytime the vehicle's running. There's only one screw on the cover on the front, so I'm going to take that screw out, and then there's a bunch of clips, and we'll just unclip it, pull it out, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, here's the cover, and you're going to see the screw in the bottom right-hand corner, right down there. Hopefully this is coming out on video. So we're going to pull that screw out and check it out. Again, this is kind of tight, hard to film in here, but hopefully you guys can see. These are the screws. It's just a little plastic screw inside of an insert. So you unscrew the screw, then you pull the insert out. In order to get the insert out, I just used this little hook tool, and I got in there and just pulled it out. And I'm going to use the same tool to get a hold of this piece and pull it out. And you pull it, just like that, it pops right off. And right inside here, that is your DC to DC converter. This is the air intake. Looks to be maybe another filter right in there of some kind. But this is the filter you want to vacuum and clean every once in a while. I really don't know how often it'll have to be done. The manual wasn't clear. I imagine if you have kids or if you use the back seat a lot, maybe if you live in a dusty, sandy area, it'd be good to vacuum this thing out. And this filter is also replaceable if it does get really bad. All right, so I've just got my big shop vac and I'm gonna clean this out. That's it. That's all you got to do. Another thing I thought was interesting here in the manual, I'm going to show you. They did a weird thing. They covered up a little section with a piece of paper here. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but this is a sticky piece of paper. I couldn't get it off, but if I hold it up to the light, I can see what they didn't want to tell you anymore. It says, scheduled maintenance of the air intake vent is necessary when, in some situations, such as when the vehicle is used frequently, or in heavy traffic or dusty areas, the air intake vent may need to be cleaned more regularly. For details, refer to owner's warranty information booklet or owner's manual. So I don't know if that means they don't want you to replace it or they think you don't need it. I just thought that was weird that they would cover that up. Seems like a logical thing to leave in there. But yeah, that's it. That's how to keep your DC to DC air filter clean. Pretty simple, quick and easy video for you. Hopefully it helps somebody. See you guys.